Welcome to xlsx once again. This is Tech Hustler on YouTube. In this video, we are going to talk about Excel file formats. So, a file format is a file type that allows a specific software to identify a specific file it is supposed to work with. So, a file format in Excel has some extensions. Talking about the extensions, I am talking about certain characters that are attached to the file name. When we were saving the file, you saw that there was a character attached to the file name. That was the .xlsx. So here, looking on the title bar, you can see my excel-workbook.xlsx. That is the file extension I'm talking about. The characters attached to the file name. So these characters help the Excel software to identify any Excel file. So with the Excel file formats, we have those ones that have .xlsx file extension. So with the .xlsx, it is the default file format for Excel. And then another one I'll be talking about is the .xls. With the .xls, it is an old file format for the old version of Microsoft Excel. That is for the Office 97 and Office 2003. But from Office 2007 to current, the file format for every Excel file is .xlsx. But we have another file format which is the .csv. With the .csv is also another file format which is identifiable by Excel. So whenever Excel sees a file with .csv, it automatically identifies it as an Excel sheet or Excel workbook. So here, let me give you some examples for us to understand it properly. So in this case, let me try to save this. Okay. Let me select desktop. Okay. So that is the .xlsx already attached to the file name. So I can decide, so let me rename this to, let's say, data. Okay. So I can decide to select the file type. So we have .xlsx. And then we have .xls. So the .xls is from where? Excel 97 to Excel 2003. That is where you use the .xls. And then the .xlss is the current file type or the current file extension for Microsoft Excel. And then the .csv, saving your file in .csv has some few disadvantages. So with the .csv, when you format your Excel sheet, let's say you change the background color of a specific cell or a row or a column. When you save it in .csv, .csv will not be able to identify the format that you made. It only saves the raw data or only saves a plain text. But one advantage is that it is very useful for data import and export. So whenever you want to import or export data, it is lightweight, so it helps you to import it or export it easily. So that is that for the Excel file format. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video for others to also learn. Bye.